Do you want to know how you can join QuillBot's Discord channel? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can join QuillBot's Discord channel. Go ahead and open QuillBot.com on your browser. After you do so, make sure that you have logged into your account. Then click on any of these. After you click that, you can see the feedback option on the right hand side of your screen. Tap on feedback, and as soon as you tap on feedback, you can see this robot saying join our Discord. Go ahead and tap on it, and in a while the Discord space will open up. What you need to do is click on continue, and if you have Discord app on your PC, this will directly direct you to Discord. If not, you can see that there is option of accept invite. Tap on it and click open. After you click open, Discord will open in a while, and then you can see that you can join the channel of QuillBot. Wait for a while as Discord might be updating. After the downloading update is complete, you can finally join QuillBot's Discord channel, and you can see some of the suggestions provided by a lot of QuillBot users which might help you on some serious projects which you are doing. So do not miss the chance to join the QuillBot community on Discord. You can see that it is taking some time. Keep your patience, as patience is the key. Discord has finally opened up, guys, so you can see that you can immediately join the Discord's channel. So if it doesn't open up, just go ahead and repeat the process again. Click on join our Discord. This page will open up, and you can see that this is the QuillBot's channel. You have already joined this channel now, guys. So guys, this is how you join QuillBot's Discord channel. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.